Hi, today in front of me Navitel tab, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first launch Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then go to the settings and tap to voice section. Click to voice match and you will see the Hey Google switcher. Click once on the switcher to activate this option. Then tap to next, more, I agree. On the right down corner, once again next. Not now. And we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. Assistant to recognize your voice to just activated. You should click to voice model and tap to retain voice model. Repeat after Assistant and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.